Time is 6:42. We do have some developing weather information to pass along to you right now. We have a tornado warning in effect for Fleming and Rowan County until 7 a.m. this morning. And this is the area we are looking at. It's just east of Flemingsburg, north of Moorhead. So it's in some of the rural areas of Fleming County as well as Rowan County, but still going to cause some problems if you live anywhere from Muses Mill down towards Triplet, and it's already passed by Wallingford, so you should be in the clear right now. But this is the couple of area that we're talking about. When we change it over to what we call the storm relative velocity, it looked a little more impressive a couple of minutes ago, but still, you know, we're seeing some of the brighter red colors, and you see the green coupled up with that. That means twisting of the winds in the upper atmosphere, and that indicates a possibility of a tornado. And again, what you need to do for a tornado: lowest level of your house and into your room. Stay away from windows, even outside walls. You want to be as close to the inside as you can. Under some stairs, in a closet, maybe a bathroom. Those are the best areas to be when you have a tornado warning in effect for your county. Also, several other warnings we want to get to you. Now, these are just severe thunderstorm warnings, but northern Bath County, also Fleming County, northern parts of Rowan County, and this is heading directly into Moorhead. So some of the professors, some of the students are heading in that direction. We do have a lot of commuters that head to Moorhead State, and a lot of you all trying to get there for your 8 a.m. class. Definitely allow plenty of extra time. Those roads are going to be slick. The winds with this storm, as it pushes through, in excess of 70 miles per hour. So if you can, just wait a few minutes, wait for the storm to pass on through before heading out. And we are seeing a little bit of hail with that storm as well. Also, another cell heading into Winchester. We do have that severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Clark County, Fayette, Garrett, and Madison County until 7:15. So all the kids heading out to school this morning definitely going to be affected. Athens, that's where we're seeing the heaviest part of the storm right now. A lot of lightning strikes, potentially some damaging winds in excess of 70 miles per hour, and very heavy rain. Keep mentioning that. The rain is a concern too, ponding on the roadways, and also some of the areas dealing with some nickel-sized hail. I've gotten reports of that as well in portions of western Kentucky. Nicholasville to Danville, we do have that severe thunderstorm warning in effect for you all, and that does include Mercer County. So be prepared for that. This storm continues to slide to the east as well. And Jamestown, you're not seeing much in the way yet, but this line of storms, it's heading your way. So in the next probably 30, 40 minutes, you'll see that storm roll through as well. And a lot of these storms, of course, really developed just about 2 or 3 hours ago, formed a line along a cold front, and it's sliding to the east. And all along that line, that's where we're seeing the severe thunderstorm warnings, heavy rain, excess winds of 70 miles per hour, so destructive winds. And we did have a lot of rain last week, so the ground's already soggy. Those trees are already weak. The root system's weak. So we could see some trees down, and got reports of some trees down in the Louisville metro. So we'll continue to track these storms as they push eastward, and we still have a tornado watch out for you all in eastern Kentucky until 1. 10 a.m. here in Lexington, eastern Kentucky, until 1 o'clock this afternoon. Secondary part of the storm is the flooding concern. As I mentioned, we saw quite a bit of rain late last week. We're going to see an additional inch, maybe a half an inch of rain expected with these next storms rolling through. So again, the creeks, the rivers, some of those streams are going to become way too full, kind of overspread their banks. We could be dealing with flooding issues later on this afternoon, even tomorrow. So that flood watch is through today, especially across central and eastern Kentucky. Temperatures ahead of these storms are into the 60s. It's very unstable. It's very mild for this time of year. So, of course, with the temperatures this warm, the dew points up. It's fueling the fire for these storms as they race eastward. Behind this, temperatures cooling down, so you're getting some colder air rushing in, and it interacts with that warm atmosphere. And we do have that potential for some severe weather. Now today, it does look like here in Lexington by mid-morning to about the noon hour, we'll start to see the end to the storms. Eastern Kentucky is still expected through the afternoon. We do have a moderate risk out for southeastern Kentucky and southern Kentucky this morning, and into the afternoon, slight risk for everyone else. Now, time frame for this storm, and we'll continue to push into central and eastern Kentucky. Looks to see the line past Lexington at 8 a.m. You could see that on our Viper just a few minutes ago, that stronger line pushing east of Lexington, but still into eastern Kentucky. That line will be pretty strong at 10 a.m. And then on the backside of this, we're talking some fairly heavy rain. Still winds very gusty, too, with even a few more storms through the afternoon across the eastern Kentucky. Gradually, we'll dry things out from west to east around 4 o'clock this afternoon and eventually into the evening for you all in eastern Kentucky. And high pressure builds in late tonight and into your Tuesday, setting us up for a fairly nice couple of days. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, looking nice temperatures into the mid-50s, so you can't complain there too much. Then the next storm moving in Friday and Saturday. We could be dealing with more heavy rain by Saturday afternoon.
Thank you, Mary.